Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this holographic background. First, we will need to choose several colors. You can use your own color palette or select the one I'm using. Let's change the stroke to none and the fill to orange. Using the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle the size of the artboard. Next, select the Mesh tool and add several mesh points along the top path. When you are done, click Away to deselect. Next, select the eyedropper tool and now choose one of the colors from the color palette. While you are holding down the Alt key, click on the first area to apply it. Let's apply the same color to this area. Now follow the same steps to apply the other colors to the remaining areas. Use your creativity to achieve the look you desire. To change an area's width, choose the lasso tool and select the top and bottom anchor points. Now use the right or left arrow key and tap a few times. Pressing the Shift key as well will enhance the speed of the process. Let's select everything and scale it up to extend it beyond the artboard. Next, select the Warp tool, double-click on it to open the Options window, and let's change both the width and height of the brush to 600 pixels. Now click, hold and drag to create a warp effect. If you wish to change the dimension of the brush, double-click on the Warp tool again and adjust the brush's dimensions. Now manipulate the brush using different strokes to achieve a look you desire. Turning on Trim View can enhance our ability to see the final effect more clearly. To make more adjustments, use the Lasso tool to select several anchor points at once and change their position if desired. Finally, we will add a texture to enhance the overall appearance. First, select the rectangle tool, choose black for the fill, and draw a rectangle the size of the artboard. Next, go to Effect, Sketch, and choose Note Paper. Experiment with different options to see what works for you. Now go to Transparency and lower the opacity to about 26. Finally, turn on the Trim View, or if you don't have the Trim View option, select the top rectangle, create a copy, make sure it is placed on top. Now select everything and finally go to Object, Clipping Mask and choose Make. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.